I want to create a new component in React, but I want to do TDD. So I start by making a unit test that references a component that doesn't exist, fails, stub the file, and now the test passes. I just made a TDD increment, and I also just wasted a bunch of time. But let's not stop there, because every time that I do a new commit, I need my test to pass, right? I don't realize that there are these like patterns and conventions embedded in other components. How do I make an HTTP call? What variables do I name? How should I name my ID that I'm referencing useref on the component? So every time I write a test for these things, I am assuming an implementation, and then that implementation turns out not to be correct. So I have to refactor the component and the unit test, doubling my LOE. Instead, here's what I do. I create the component, and then I create the test, and I just make sure everything works before I submit a PR. At the end, the result is the same. You have a set of unit tests that pass, but it's a lot less LOE in the middle. So this is a modified TDD pattern that I suggest for developers.